Hey guys, it's a key keeper here. So I'm over here at the workshop where I got my 1993 Chevrolet C2500 diesel pickup, and today's video is going to be about rust. As you guys can see, this is the driver's side rocker panel on the truck, and it's got a pretty good case of body rot. I think a lot of the metal is still good and salvageable. It looks like I just need to clean it up a little bit, get it down to bare metal, maybe put a patch in right here, Bondo, sand it, prime it, paint it. I want your guys' opinion about what products work really good, what products don't work good, what products I need to avoid, all that stuff, because this is my first adventure into doing a rust repair or like a Bondo repair on a truck, and I'm kind of traveling in the dark because I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done it before, so I'm really eager to get started. I'm really eager to hear what you guys recommend. What products are good, what products I need to avoid, and I'm eager to do something on this old truck because I've got this spot here. I've got a spot above the wheel well right there where the paint is bubbling up from the bottom side due to the rust. The rust is causing the paint to bubble up. I got a little bit here on the front quarter panel behind the driver's side front tire. And then I got a lot of the same stuff on the other side, pretty much identical what you see here. So let me know what works, and I'll keep making videos as we progress on this project truck, and I'll bring you guys along. I'll show you the ups and the downs, the good and the bad times. So everybody stay tuned. I really appreciate it, and I'll see everybody on the next video. Thanks, bye.